Everyone's up and alive now. Katie's joined us. She's got to get some food. We're feeling positive about the day. Woo!
I feel really bad because I didn't do this, but I was so tired that I just couldn't really do it.
Hey! Who's missing? Are we all here?
Behind you.
Are we all ready to?
Pour that one.
Kitchen roll!
Legend.
What?
Roll. Where am I meant to? I thought you were like psychic.
No.
Say hi. I think Emily fits that. Yeah.
Can't see her.
Emily, you look so hipster. That's because she is hipster. Oh, I actually do. See, I'm being a good friend. I'm taking pictures of people that are really Instagram wild. Keep going.
Oh my god, right. It's because you didn't hit that bit underneath.
Yay!
Oh, thank God.
Let's hope it doesn't roll down and kill us all.
No.
This is the train station. This is our train. There's a bit of Ellie. Safi and Emma. Oh yeah, and she wants to give us another project. So good if you let's secretly zoom. Wait, how do I zoom? That one.
You're welcome.
She's very nice. Did she say she was a teacher? I think so. And now we are just going to prepare ourselves for a 5-hour journey going backwards. Where are we, Eleanor?
I don't know. We're on a train.
Still on the train. Abby's sleeping.
Been on it for just nearly 2 hours.
2 hours.
So we have 2 and a bit more to go.
Nearly halfway.
Nearly halfway, yes.
Wait, we've been at home.
Nearly 2 hours.
Amazing.
Hi.
It's felt like 10 minutes.
Guys, we just went past some cows. How does that make you feel? Yeah, first cows. I know.
I feel like
So
we've been
excited.
here like 20 minutes, so it's going well. I'm feeling good about life. I've done my hair, I've done Emma's hair.
The plaits are looking great,
I'm
guys.
feeling fine and dandy.
Fine and dandy. That's a good thing. Lovely. I don't know what. Katie, do you have anything to say? I feel like that was a bit close.
I like it.
This is a wild Katie that has been located in the outback of Romania.
The outback. Yeah. Kiosk Katie from the
Kiosk
outback.
Katie. Would you like some fries?
You've even got the right colour.
The right colour?
Oh yeah, I'm all khaki.
Oh yeah, you blend in with your environment. Ready for the train.
Okay, cut. Kiosk Katie from the
Holly, do you have any questions for Kiosk Katie?
Ellie, your pen. Your ink pen.
I'm always ready.
Speechless.
I'm always
Speechless.
This is everything. Everything. Anything that you could ever want.
Oh no, do you think someone's going to get on and want our seats?
This is what I'm worried.
Basically, Eleanor, explain the seat situation.
Situation. So we
Very tense.
It's very tense. We're on the edge of our seats. Literally.
The ticket guy came and he was, well,
translator thing. She was very nice.
She was a very nice lady, wasn't she? Oh, okay.
We weren't told that we had to go to the train station to get seat tickets.
But yeah, thanks very much, travel consultant.
Lame.
So we're just sat in seats, but people could come and ask us to leave, which means we've got to get the rucksacks down.
The 19
Like 18
kilogram. Holly summarises the mood.
But there's lots of spare seats on the train, so we should be fine.
We should be okay.
Fingers crossed.
Please, like, what was that?
Just zoomed in on your tongue.
Okay, so me and Emma are just like the MC the whole journey because we've done our hair. We are about 3 hours into the journey.
There's a rabbit with a bow on its ear in a cage.
There's we've just spotted a mystery animal in a cage and we've worked out it's a rabbit. So we have a rabbit in a cage. It's about another 2 hours from here, so expected arrival time's about 4:30.
Where are we? On train. To where? To Penal. Woo! Half an hour away. Yay!
Did you say I'm getting old?
Yeah.
Seriously? You and I are going to fall out if you said that.
Sitting in on my leg.
Hold on. Good.
We just arrived in Bacau and we're getting a taxi to the offices and it's really exciting. When we got to the train station, a couple of the girls from last year were waiting at the train station with a sign and they came running and hugged us and it was really cute and now we're really excited.
Oh, thank you. Making memories. Now you've got me making memories. Bomb.
Ellie, where are we?
So Gabby kept our card from last year. It's still on the wall with our writings inside, and that's his desk. We've arrived at the offices. Can't do the sideways one.
Blood, sweat and tears went into that.
It's spent a lot of time. Everyone's chilling. Everyone's in a good mood. Had a lovely welcome from the girls, and we love them. They're waving. Smile, Monica. She's walked away. But you know, we've got food and drinks, and life's good. Over and out for now.
Oh my god. Oh, sorry, honey. Oh my gosh. So lovely.
I don't know who painted, but I suppose it was painted. I think Andre or
Right, I'm sitting.
Sit down.
Hello. Oh, here we go. Now I am. So we're in the little, it's like a little terrace bit, and it's got all sorts of pretty stuff on the walls, and all sorts of fun colours. And comfy chairs. There's a guitar. There's flowers. There's like, these are like, yeah, Lena just played the guitar. These are like little, like tyre things. It's pretty cool out here. We're having fun.
Go for it, girl. I'm way too sappy, actually.
Yeah, do your poses at the end.
I might have to come a little bit closer, sorry.
This way or that way? This way.
Pose here.
Yeah, spin around as well.
What? Am I doing the legs?
Yeah, do the legs. Do the legs.
Do it!
Do the legs.
Do it!
Oh,
Was it not?
No.
No need for that.
Yeah, we're just talking about the necessity of a banter sign.
Because Annie lacks a proper sense of humour, basically.
Just next level.
Wait, where's the banter sign?
That dog just touched me.
Annie, you're gonna get Can this go in the vlog? Yeah, she's also not allowed to touch rabbits anymore because her mum sent her a text. I was like, there's a rabbit on the train. She's like, don't touch it. She said
Eleanor's mum's looking out for her like a good mother, and that's very close to my face.
We're on our way to dinner. Yay!
That was terrible.
Excuse me, I will be an epic YouTuber one day. I'm sorry, I don't have the skills yet.
They forgot me.
We forgot.
We love her!
We didn't mean to forget her.
In the offices, they forgot me.
You were locked in the office. I was actually locked in. I went to That's a little bit of love from Alina. Okay, so what we're doing, guys. Katie told me through where we are and what we're doing.
We are in Bacau. Yes?
Yeah. Bacau.
We're going to a restaurant for some nice salmon. Yes.
Hopefully.
And right now they're in getting breakfast.
Ooh, interessante. So, over and out.
Love your accents.
I'm better than I was last year, which isn't really hard.
Where are we, Louise? What are we doing? I've forgotten. We're at a nice restaurant. Yeah, and I'm excited to eat salmon. We're here to eat salmon.
Unfortunately.
It's going to be fun.
If I could.
Hello again. Hello. Hello.
One of the messages.
There we go.
We are now having our drinks. What have you got?
I've got lemonade.
Oh, it looks good.
It's really good.
Nice and fresh.
Your drink looks really good.
Yeah. Oh, a nice mocktail. Pretty. Got the same. You like your drink, Katie?
Looking at very nice.
Very nice. You like your lemonade?
Yeah, but it's got no sugar in, so we're pretending
Yours
to be
looks cool, it's
healthy.
greeny. Yeah. Pretty cool.
It has sausages, cheese, bacon, on a pizza, and parmesan on a pizza.
What have you got for dinner, Safi? Yummy. The pizza looks pretty good as well. Are you enjoying your pizza? Yeah. Everyone, no, none of these people are eating. Emma, you're like the last to get your food. How'd you look? Oh. Wait, you just got salmon? Huh? This is the salmon that Holly has been raving about. It is now going to be judged. Salmon.
We are at Din Din's. We've had good chats. We're loving it. Everyone's quite tired, especially Alina. But the vibes are going. I'm loving the music. And there's flashy lights you can see in the background. I'm loving this. So yeah, life's good. See you soon. Bye.